Want to get a Namecheap hosting coupon code that would get you a Namecheap hosting discount, saving you money on your Namecheap web hosting purchase? Then this video is for you. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Namecheap hosting promo code discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Namecheap discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Namecheap hosting page. If you scroll down, you'll see the 3 Namecheap shared web hosting plans. Where you see billing cycle, you'll see yearly is selected. I'll change this to 2 years. You get the greatest discount with the 2-year term. You get the Stellar plan for $158 a month with a savings of 65% off. The Stellar Plus plan, you'll get Namecheap hosting for $228 a month with a savings of 65% off. You get the Stellar Business plan for $448 a month with a savings of 53% off. If you hover over domains, it'll list out free domain extensions you can get with any of the plans on the 2-year term. The Stellar Plus and Stellar Business plan, you'll see you can save money on select domain extensions. If you change the billing cycle term to yearly, you'll get Namecheap hosting as low as $198 a month with a savings of 56% off the Stellar plan. You get the Stellar Plus plan for $298 a month with a savings of 54% off. You get the Stellar Business plan for $498 a month with a savings of 47% off. If you hover over domains, it'll list out free domain extensions you can get with any of the plans on the yearly term. The Stellar Plus and Stellar Business plan, you'll see you can save money on select domain extensions. If you change the billing cycle term to monthly, you'll see you won't get a discounted rate. You get the Stellar plan for $448 a month, the Stellar Plus plan for $648 a month, and the Stellar Business plan for $948 a month. You won't get a free domain name like any of the Namecheap hosting annual plans. Enjoy the Namecheap hosting promo code discount. You've now successfully taken advantage of the Namecheap hosting coupon code discount and Namecheap hosting promo code discount offered, saving you money on your Namecheap web hosting service. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Namecheap hosting tutorial videos.